Hi everyone, in this video you have to find the first derivative of the function x squared minus 16 in two ways. So we have two definitions for the first derivative, the red one and the blue one, okay, and you have to know these two definitions. They are very important. Sometimes you have to use one of them only in some questions. We will deal with these examples later. So this is the first method because you have to find the first derivative in two ways. So you have to use both definitions for the derivative. For the first one, we have f prime of x equals limit f of x plus h minus f of x over h when h goes to 0. So f prime of x equals limit f of x plus h. You have to replace x in the function by x plus h. So we have x plus h squared minus 16. This is f of x plus h minus f of x, and f of x is x squared minus 16 divided by h when h goes to 0. Next you have to expand power 2. So we have x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 16. Then you have to enter the negative sign here and you will get minus x squared plus 16 divided by h when h goes to 0. Now you have to simplify the expression. We have x squared minus x squared 0. We have negative 16 plus 16 0, and you will get limit of 2x h plus h squared divided by h when h goes to 0. Then you have to take greatest common factor from numerator, and the greatest common factor is h. So you will get 2x plus h divided by h when h goes to 0. Cancel h with h. You will get the function 2x plus h. Then you have to replace 0 instead of h, and you will get 2x plus 0, which is 2x. So this is the first derivative of our function using the first definition for the derivative. Now the second definition of the derivative, f prime of a equals limit f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a when x tends to a. So we have f prime of a equals to f of x, which is the same function, x squared minus 16, minus f of a, which is a squared minus 16 divided by x minus a when x goes to a. By simplifying the numerator, you will get limit of x squared minus 16. Then you have to enter the negative sign here. It will be minus a squared plus 16 divided by x minus a when x goes to a. Negative 16 plus 16 equal to 0. Then you will get limit of x squared minus a squared divided by x minus a when x goes to a. Now for the numerator, we have a difference between two squares. So you can write the numerator as x plus a multiplied by x minus a over x minus a when x goes to a. Now cancel the common between numerator and denominator, and you will get the function x plus a. Replace x by a, you will get a plus a, which is 2a. That means the derivative of the function f of x equal x squared minus 16 is equals to 2x. 2a, it means 2x. So we have the same answers for the first definition and the second definition, and that's it. Thank you.